In this lecture, we are going to set up Cloudinary, and this will be providing cloud media management services for our websites and apps. So whatever images we will be uploading in a project, we are going to set up using Cloudinary. So whatever images we are going to work in this project, all the images we are going to push inside the Cloudinary, and Cloudinary will be managing all the images for us. So first, let us come to code. Here I will open new terminal, and inside the root I'm just going to install these packages. npm I package name I will write express file upload, and also we are going to install this Cloudinary. You can ignore all the warnings, and this express file upload, it is the middleware which will handle file uploads in our express application. And using this, we can easily retrieve all the uploaded files in our backend. And this Cloudinary, it is official Cloudinary SDK for managing and uploading media. Like if you want to upload images as well as you can upload videos, you can upload lot of other documents to our Cloudinary account. After installing, inside this root, we are having package.json. Just open that and see we are having this entry or not. So here we are having express file upload, and we are having Cloudinary, and the version is 2.6.0. Now inside this backend folder, open server.js, and here we are just going to import Cloudinary. Below this, I will be writing import, and in this way we have to import Cloudinary version 2 as Cloudinary. And from where we have to import? We have to import from Cloudinary package which we have installed. So here V2 refers Cloudinary's second version of the API. So in this way, we are going to import Cloudinary. And below this, we are just going to set up Cloudinary. So here I will write cloudinary.config, and inside this, we are going to pass object of options. So first thing, we will pass cloud name, and this value we are going to get from our account, and I will show you how to get all the values. Second, we are going to pass API key, and finally third, we are going to pass API secret key. And for all this, inside this config.env, I'm just going to create the variable. For cloud name, I will give the variable name as Cloudinary name. For this, I will be assigning the value. I will come down. For API key, I will give the variable API key. For this also, I will assign the values. And finally, we are having API secret. For this, I will give the variable as API secret. Now, once we set up our account, all the values we are going to access, and we will store inside config.env. Now, I will copy this Cloudinary name, and in place of this, I'm just going to pass that name. And how we will access process.env.cloudinary name. Second, we are having API key, copy, remove this. Here we will write process.env.api key, and finally we are having secret key, process.env.secret key. Let me come here, copy, and inside this I'm just going to paste. I will give the spelling as process. Later on, once we assign all the values, in this way we will access all the values, and then we can easily use Cloudinary in our application. Now open Cloudinary website. You will be finding link in the description. Here we are having login, and we have sign up for free. If you have already created the account, then you can click on login. But now I will just click on get started, or you can click on sign up for free. Okay, you can see this is also free. Now I'm just going to sign up with Google. Accordingly, you can choose the options. From whichever email I want to register, I will be selecting that email, and successfully I will be registered inside this Cloudinary. And now we are having these two options, coding with APIs and SDKs or interactive digital asset management. we are using SDK, we can select this and click on Let's Start. Or you can also skip this. Now this is our interface. You can see here they have already mentioned to use SDK inside Node.js, we have to install this. And in our code, if we want to use, we are having this import and then we are doing this configuration. And if you want to upload the image, they have provided entire code. You can see we are having uploader.upload and accordingly we have to pass all the path. But now let us come to dashboard. And inside this, if you see, we are having cloud name and here our cloud name will be displayed. I will just copy this cloud name. For security reasons, I'm just going to hide this cloud name. Just copy this name and directly inside config.env, I have pasted the name. And while assigning, you don't have to wrap in single quotes or double quotes. Directly assign the values. Now here you will have one option, go to API keys, click on that. And here inside this, you can see we are having API key and we are having this API secret key. Now I'm just going to copy this API key and I have pasted in config.env. Now, if you want to see API secret key, if you just hover on this, you will have one icon. As soon as you click on this, you will have this confirmation code sent to your email ID. I will open my email. You can see I am having this Cloudinary confirmation code. I will copy this code and inside this, I'm just going to paste the code and click on approve. Once it is approved, code will be visible. Hover on this and copy the code. And again, come to config.env and paste all the values. I will not be showing all the values, so I'm just going to close.